Hello students, I hope you all are fine. In today's lecture, I will discuss some mistakes that people often do while using L'Hopital's rule. You know that in the previous lecture, I have discussed about L'Hopital's rule first form and also the stronger form. But L'Hopital's rule is applicable only when we have an indeterminate form. And you know about indeterminate form means 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, or it may be infinity multiply with infinity or infinity minus infinity. But there are some mistakes that occur while we are using the L'Hopital's rule. Let me discuss first about some basic things, like for example we have limit x approaches to a, f of x divided by g of x. In L'Hopital's rule first form, we said that if both f of a g of a is equal to 0, then if our function's derivative means f derivative x g derivative x exists and g derivative x is not equal to 0, then we could find the derivative at that particular point. And in the stronger form, it is the repeated application of L'Hopital's rule. But if we see the case like in the example, limit x approaches to 0, 1 minus cos x is divided by x plus x square. In this example, I will discuss the mistakes that people often do. This is the example. Okay. Now, if we substitute x approaches to 0, means if we substitute x is equal to 0 here, then what we will get 1 minus cos of 0, and it is divided by 0 plus 0, and here we will get 1 minus 1 is divided by 0 plus 0. That means we will get 0 by 0 form. That means here I will write by L'Hopital's rule, we will have limit x approaches to 0. The derivative of 1 is equal to 0, and the derivative of cos x is equal to negative sin x, means this one negative, this negative as it is, and the derivative of cos x is equal to negative sin x, and it will be divided by the derivative of x is equal to 1, and the derivative of x square is equal to 2x, and it will become equal to limit x approaches to 0, sin x is divided by 1 plus 2x. Now at this point we will again check whether our numerator or denominator equal to 0 or not. Limit, okay, when we apply the limit on this, then we will get sin 0 is divided by 1 plus 2 times 0. This means we will get 0 by 1 is equal to 0. The problem occur here because at times people think that this is the 0, that means we have to again apply the L'Hopital rule, and they do it in a wrong way. Means wrong way starts from here. Let me write the thing that I just say, that wrong way starts from here. Like they again apply the L'Hopital's rule. If we again apply the L'Hopital's rule, then we will get the derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, and in the derivative of 1 is equal to 0, and the derivative of 2x is equal to 2. Now if you apply the limit here, then you will get cos 0 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, but this is not correct, because that L'Hopital's rule is only applicable when we have an indeterminate forms like 0 by 0 form. This is not 0 by 0 form. That means if either we get after the application of L'Hopital's rule, if our numerator or denominator is finite answer, then that means we have to stop there and solve, and that means our question is solved till then. and there is no need to apply L'Hopital's rule again. But if you apply L'Hopital's rule again and again and again, that means this is a wrong way, because you have no indeterminate form and you are just applying L'Hopital's rule because you have no idea that what to do with the question. Okay, now keep in mind, I again explain, when we have an indeterminate form, then we apply L'Hopital's rule. This is not indeterminate form. This is simply the function gives us the answer 0 when we apply the limit x tends to 0. There is no need to apply L'Hopital's rule again. Okay. In today's lecture, I have discussed the problems and the mistakes that people often do while using L'Hopital's rule. This is all about today's lecture. See you next time. Thank you.